Okay, so I don't want this video to be too long, so I decided to do a play around in a separate video, possibly part 2. But so far I just wanted to show you what they look like once they're dried. So here you can see them in their full intensity. And here they are used as watercolors would be used. So this was wet on wet technique, so I just dropped the watercolor straight from the pipette onto the wet area, and you can see they when they dry, they almost have that they're very intense. They don't lose their color at all, and obviously because it's just pure color, some of them are so dark that you can't see. A good example would be the juniper green. You can hardly see how beautiful this color is. It almost looks black here, but you can see how stunning it is once it's used as watercolor would be, with a bit of water obviously. And yeah, same thing with these colors as well. The violet almost looks black, and you can see what it looks like here. Now the other thing to say, that here I have done the transparency test, and all of them seem very transparent, although when you look at the full intensity you almost kind of think that they look chalky, that they're so intense that they completely cover the paper and you think that you would not be able to see anything. However, they are really good when it comes to transparency. The only little bit that I could see was the orange that had a little bit of something there, but the rest of the lines, they seem to be pretty perfect. Black is obviously black, so black on black it's hard to see. It's a good black because it goes into a cool tone grey as opposed to a warm tone grey. Yeah, so I'm really happy about these. There's something going on with the brown. I don't know if you can see in the corner right here. There's some sort of pigmentation separation, but I'm not sure why that is, because this was the color that didn't need any shaking at all. I did shake it still, but it didn't have any of those sort of dye or pigment kind of sitting on the bottom of the bottle. So I'm not sure what is going on. Then obviously the pinks, they're so beautiful. They're really are gorgeous colors. The persimmon and the alpine rose, scarlet, cherry red and mouse red, they're gorgeous colors. And yeah, so the last thing I'd say about this, that it's a good mix of colors that they picked, because quite often there is a green included that I really can't stand, or another color or something like that. Here I find that these are my primary colors, and these are the colors why I picked this set, but these are sort of in addition, still very beautiful. The turquoise blue is a beautiful color. The blue, the true blue, is actually a beautiful blue color in itself. Violet is great, grass green is beautiful, juniper green is stunning color. It's sort of like a true emerald color. Now the subtle brown, like I said, I think I was saying about the brown that I would only use it possibly in a fountain pen, so that's the only color kind of that would get less use, but black is great because I like black in my illustrations. So yeah, I'm super happy. They're super delicious colors, very yummy. The intensity of them doesn't compare to anything I have. Also the colors themselves are quite unique, and yeah, I love it. I will show you how they mix, what colors you can mix with them, and do some illustrations in part 2. So thanks for watching and see you soon.